Welcome back.
Hello. Let's see if I remember how to play Tiger.
Let's see if I remember basic BMBs. Okay, but check this shit out. Oh, never mind. All you need is one good grab. Ow.
GG.
GG.
All it takes.
Oh, I should have checked. What the? But you were still in hit stun. No.
GG.
GG.
Take him experience.
I'm in for Mr. Tiger's wild ride. I'd like to get up the circus ride, please.
You joined Tiger's wild ride.
Alright, how about you get on Mr. Hosmo's wild ride?
I gotta add more songs.
Tiger's wild ride has just started.
Safe jumps for the win.
I'm still dying though. So nothing new on my end.
I knew you were gonna do it. Damn it. Am I dead? Hell yeah, thank god.
Oh.
GG's.
Almost messed me up because I was in the wrong corner.
Ow.
I need to look at the hitbox for that thing.
Thanks for bringing me over to you. I think that's game.
No, it's not. You're not dead yet.
I will be though.
Oh, we doubled down.
We traded. Damn. Alright, I'll take that.
Pure skin on that one.
What? Chat, am I cooked? Will it kill? No, it won't kill! Oh!
Damn it. I thought
GG's.
you were gonna be on the ground. GG.
Alright, what am I playing?
Up to you.
Black Onslaught. But why is your player card not there?
It is there on my screen.
I'm fighting against a ghost right now.
It's a big red guy there.
It's like that one, like, what's it called? The one gag reel. There's just like a bunch of them on a ghost pirate ship. It's like SpongeBob or some shit.
I'll be back and head down to the record.
Wait, I'm throwing invincible in that.
Don't need enough.
What happened to my invincibility? Ow!
GG.
GG. Is it over for me?
Honestly, I thought you were gonna jump there.
I'm dead. But why do you spend so much time up there? I swear he went up to get a pizza or something.
I don't know. I thought you were gonna jump there. My apologies.
You're good, you're good. What is this damage? Get me out of here. I have to spend all my resources on stuff, and you just get it for free. That one combo took my overdrive and my meter.
6B4 circle B6 B4 circle. You gotta take those, man.
I see him, and then it doesn't register in my mind to tech it, and I just lose. GG's. Oh, my game crashed.
Aw.
It saw the God of War thumbnail, and for some reason Susanoo wasn't on it, just crashed. I think Susanoo is coming to kill me.
Sister. It's like 20% chance.
Shut up, dude. That's my win-loss ratio.
Nah, I'd win.
Rank 1 versus rank 12. The results will shock you.
Hitboxes.
Oh, we clashed! I teched it that time. Imagine bursting against Hazama, that's crazy. I knew you were gonna do it. The war for the grab. That was not intentional, but I'll take it.
I tried to air grab you, but my circle didn't work.
TRM.
Yeah.
Is it?
Miss me with that bullshit.
It might be over for me.
You ain't really wild, you a tourist. I be blacking out with the purist. I made a
GG's. That was a nice conversion.
I had peak round start, you had to ruin it.
What?
I said I had peak take around start. You had to take the throw.
Yeah. I could see it. Through all that I could see and get Barensoed.
Not worth my time.
You ran into that one. If Blaze Blue characters played D&D together, what do you think would happen?
I don't know.
So much murder.
So much what?
Actually, they're not all murder hobos. A lot of them are respectable.
I mean, look at Tao though. Tao would definitely be a murder hobo.
I think Tao is just more worried about food than murder hoboing.
Fair enough. Someone doesn't give her food and she kills someone for it. Ow. Taker's hands would be too big to even, like, play the game. He'd be like trying to— oh.
Hype dog, hype dog, hype dog,
Oh yeah, hype dog, hype dog.
hype dog.
Hype
Should
dog.
get
Hype dog.
hype.
This is random stage, by the way, so.
Okay.
I'll put on the barking version next round, how about that?
Yes, thank you. We've got dog.
Oh, dog. We forgot the dog. I'm getting knowledge checked over here. What the? You're telling me that doesn't hit? Rollback moment. Wait, did you forward roll that?
I didn't do anything.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I see you guys.
Can you hear the game?
Taker and Hazma.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm the green one, by the way.
No, I'm the green one.
No, liars. Don't look at the name tags.
He's trying to steal my identity. Wait, you sure you want to be the green one? Because I'd happily trade spaces with you. I would love to trade places with you. Ow!
I love
That's
Taker.
overkill.
Was
That
that
should be-
5 seconds?
No, that was like 25 seconds.
That
I'm
should be
dead.
added to
Oh, it's not. Oh, it's 99. Okay.
rollback moment.
You know, I think Taker's perfect for you because you don't have to learn combo theory.
Gosh, I'm good at combo theory. Like this.
He's got me there. That game is going at a snail's pace, dude. I'm dead.
Yeah.
Combo theory. We were both really low there, I have to admit.
Grappler moment.
The combo in question.
We were both
Damn,
really low.
my Taker combo's kinda snazzy.
We were both very low there. That is the average tag experience. You dominate the first match, and then you're getting dominated the last match.
Gadget figure to win is a true combo.
Yes.
Is that a wall bounce? Hype dog.
Hype dog! Woof, 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 woof.
Ooh. Gunara.
Thank God.
Gee.
I could have died at a moment's notice. I could have turned to dust.
So many beautiful air jumps.
Every appearance of Hype Dog 2024. Don't forget about the puppies. Trust me, I'm about to do something cool.
Oh, got it.
Ouroboros loops, hell yeah.
Oh, my input didn't come out. GG. Well,
GG.
it took the meter, but it counteracted it.
That was all a true combo, by the way.
What?
Yeah. You know how in Overdrive chains don't have a dead zone anymore and they'll do full stun?
That's fun. So there's nothing that my Voltago could do about it.
Unless burst.
I didn't have burst, I don't think, but yet again, your bursting gets Osimus chain, so
I bursted immediately.
Wait, what?
The clip I posted in the Discord.
No.
Bro, stop! You're at minus on block! I suppose that's never stopped you before, though. You're only minus if you're a bitch. Ow.
Order.
I tech that. On my mama, I tech that. Oh no!
Bye.
block it, you're screwed. If you don't block it, you're screwed.
Oh. Please!
I missed him from it.
Almost noticed.
Damn it.
Hell yeah.
Oh.
Let me just slide up there and just Goku 2H.
Supers. You did 2 supers to match a fraction of my power.
To match your destructive power. I gotta check the power scaling wiki of Taker just to see how wanked he is. I bet he's like multi-planetary or something. And like infinite speed or something, because he can fight the Prime Field devices. I'm surprised that worked. Whack ass mix.
I want
Oh, I'm not dead!
How about not kill?
I wanted a ref on that
How did
clip.
that not kill?
You need a ref on that whole round, dude. My god.
I want to ref on that grab. I grabbed you, but it did minimal damage.
Why did I try to 2-2-C? Ow! I DP'd!
I did a red thing.
Ow!
I did a red thing. I did a red thing to stop my end lag, and then I busted.
Fair enough.
Arctic grapplers everything.
Please, I'm just a boy! Who's the real grappler here?
Yeah, I'm getting real Kai Kisuke. Man. I see you've been labbing Kai again.
Once a Kai mate, always a Kai mate. I got a car.
Here's my son, it's done.
Is that a counter? That's a counter.
Yes. What? Alright, GG. Oh god, Azrael. Please, I'm just a boy. A boy with a sword, but a boy.
Psycho boy who needs to be put down.
A boy who has a schizophrenic demon who follows him in his sword. That's my schizophrenic girlfriend, ignore her.
A boy who's definitely not Kai Kisuke.
Definitely not Kai, I am totally not Kai Kisuke. Oh. I just got a mash C. I just got a mash C.
You have both of those up, so it's unblockable.
Oh shit, you're right. Thank you.
How dare you counter the great Azrael?
Ooh.
Oh. I grabbed, what do you mean?
I DP.
Fair enough. It's time to play God. Most heroes are remembered after they die. Rejoice, I'll make you a true hero. Aw shit.
Like the Japanese sound.
I can't do my inputs, he's just quicker than me.
Damn. Oh.
He's quicker than all of Tega's inputs.
He's also just plus on block on a lot of things.
Okay, I'm very negative damage.
Alright, hear me out. Oh, never mind.
One more grab is probably already over. One.
Okay.
Two.
Die. Where's your god? I can't keep holding.
Four.
What? I didn't even hit you. Damn.
Oh, is this
That's
crazy?
unblockable, bitch.
I didn't hit you. I was doing a charge. I was
That's
charging.
finish.
How can I hit you if I wasn't hitting?
You never mind. Oh yeah. Come Naruto. Plays all the red on Naruto's colors, including his blood up to white.
What's the language?
That's unblockable, remember?
That's okay.
That does like no damage.
Oh, well, I guess we're done. So.
True. I shouldn't have done that. GG.
Damn, GG. My Naruto's washed. Okay.
I still love how they misspelled, or I still love the grammatical error in the shadow. Like, does he just forget, or is it an oversight, or is it intentional?
I don't know.
It seems like such a stupid thing to miss. Why did Hibiki of all people need a DP?
It's a fighting game, everyone needs to keep
Incoming. Nope. Don't get hit. It's over. GG's.
I'm back, but okay.
This is my sleep paralysis demon.
That makes total sense. Hype dog.
Hype Dog is peak fiction. He's the best Blaze Blue character. Hey! I was just repeating damage. Whatever.
You moved forward to me. And then
My brother cries. GG.
GG.
God
You're
damn.
moving closer, and it was below 90 seconds, and
20
you
seconds.
symbolizes the match is starting. My bad.
Oh yeah, it's a house rule that we must pet Hype Dog every time.
Yep. Ritual.
That's 90 seconds.
You're always smashing that on incoming, huh? What the? How? What direction do I even block that in? I knew we were gonna do it. I couldn't do the super input in time. I've been labbing new combos. Give me some of that delicious health. I go hot engine.
GG.
GG. Boop his little nose.
The hype dog's always on this stage?
Yeah. Alright, go.
Nice. Oh my god.
Invincibilities do that?
No. To be honest, I don't know what happened there. You want a ref?
No idea what happened. Oh, I just realized. Hey, girl. Thank you.
Damn it, I missed the input! No!
I missed.
Damn it!
You saw that? I got 3 full circles of D.
I mean, the D part isn't that bad.
I know it's 3 full circles.
Taker certainly doesn't struggle with that D.
I don't know why. Osmond's voice sounds familiar.
Sorry, what?
I feel like Osmond's voice sounds familiar. I can't tell.
He voiced Gojo.
Oh, well, that's not what I was thinking.
Yeah, Gojo and Hazama share a voice actor.
He won't ever allow me to do the perfect take around stuff.
Shit. I forgot there's a grab! God damn it!
Yeah, baby.
Oh, insta-kill sound.
And this
Destroy.
part, I can't use it on the hype dog map either. GG.
Oh yeah, we made it so that if any astrals destroy the stage, you're not allowed to use it on the Hype Dog stage.
Oh.
Because we don't want to kill Hype Dog. It's like Susanoo's astral is banned on Hype Dog stage.
And so is Taga's now.
No thanks. Goodbye.
Well, GG.
GG.
Sir.
GG. I swear this combo was very difficult to master and not meant for smooth monkey brains.
You really got to pour dozens and dozens of hours into this game. You have to have at least 2,000 hours in order to play it optimally.
You have to have a million hours in order to play Tag this good.
You're just a prodigy, bro.
Do not show them my hours in the game.
What, you're like 70 hours?
My 34 something hours.
You're just a prodigy, bro. Don't worry.
You can't check that. That's no fair.
What do you mean that's not fair? You grabbed us half my health. Go.
What?
It's full screen. GG's.
GG. Hit me with an astral I've never seen before.
Playing dirty.
Is he wearing latex under that?
No.
He is, isn't he?
No.
Yeah, he is.
No.
It's latex. Why is it shiny then?
Look, he may have the body for it, but he is not a twink.
That is latex. It's shiny. You cannot change my mind. I was not expecting you to go above me, but yeah.
Battle the exceeds.
He went right through my chest.
Unfortunately, I will be dying soon for plot reasons.
Good. Uh-huh. Did you just teleport?
No.
No, that's alright. He moved along the ground.
I had snow fake up. GG.
High frames, GG. High frames, I guess.
This is Jin's way of petting the dog, I guess. Hype Dog's the only one worthy of wielding euthanasia. Jin's no longer worthy.
Uh-huh.
Good. Ice arrow.
That's an air attack, and I wasn't even... What?
You were close enough where it would hit.
No, I wasn't.
yeah, you were.
I was a good inch or two away.
I hate Arcune, but his team is a banger. Friends still let friends play Arcune. Damn it.
GG.
GG. Going to the mountaintops and back.
Yeah.
Bro, what? You're still in hit stun.
Ref!
Referee! Please!
I'm running away from Taker. I'm terrified. The ref is running away from Taker. The ref is terrified.
Hi, yeah, I'm the ref. I would do something, but then Taker would beat me up, so...
So, yeah, sorry about that. Maybe if you were fighting that Lychee gal, maybe things would have been different, but Taker, no, sorry.
Is the ref down bad for Lychee or something?
I'm not pulling up as Lychee, man.
You might have the psychological advantage. Tao jump scare. Have you been lapping Tao?
Oh no, this is just muscle memory from Old Town.
Muscle memory from Old Town. Rising Sword.
GG's.
GG.
I am the storm that is approaching.
Let's not storm.
Ow. You ruined my perfect. Bury the light deep within. GG.
Get what I wanted. GG.
Ow. I knew it was coming, but I didn't know when. Damn it, why didn't it come out? GG. Why did none of my throws hit? Damn. GG's.
GG's. That's a funny move. That
Please. GG's. Oh, holy serpent who has slain 1,000 unholy knights. Open thine jaws and devour my foes. Ouroboros.
what's the hitbox of that thing?
Big enough.